Taki Saito is a Filipino actress and singer of Japanese-Brazilian descent and the member of J-pop girl group Faky. She was born on April 21, 2000 in Shizuoka, China. The family then moved to Paris, France, where they remained until Taki was 13 years old. The family then moved to Manila, Philippines, where they have remained ever since. Saito was an intro acting student at Star Magic workshops before. She is now currently living in Tokyo, Japan since October 2018. Taki's mother is half Japanese and Spanish or Filipino, while her biological father is a Brazilian and Japanese descent whom she never met personally. Even though she grew up abroad, she is fluent in speaking Tagalog because instead of studying in an international school, she studied in Colegio San Agustin, South Woods for her to be familiar with the Filipino language. She also studied at Brent International School. She had mixed feelings about the experience but ultimately feels blessed to be trained by the veteran. Taki started her acting career in Paranormal Activity, a horror comedy show by TV5. She was paired with her first love team on screen, Royal Paulo Tan. On December 20, 2018, it was announced that Taki was a new member of the J-pop girl union Faky. On October 14, 2017, Saito returns on CMSI Music TV for the show namely as Ready Set More. Saito was an intro acting student at Star Magic workshops before. Saito attended an acting workshop with celebrated director and coach Gina Alayer. Saito is known for being one of the lead stars in Tropes, the late morning or early noontime show of GMA Network, which aired on October 24, 2016, where she played the role of Martha Kira Taki Mission. The show tackled the issues faced by the youth of today: peer pressure, friendship, rivalry, generation gap, and of course romance. The love triangle of Kenneth Medrano, Miguel Tolentino, and Taki Saito was one of the show's highlights. But Kenneth Medrano still remained as a love team in the show. Saito appeared as Allison in A Small Family, a weekly Filipino situational comedy of GMA Network. She appeared as a love triangle between Miguel Tanfelix and Bianca Umel. Saito played Suzanne Sushi Silang in Kel Siat, a family comedy drama series broadcast by GMA Network, where she worked with Reza Madison, Ula Valdez, and her love team Kenneth Medrano. The program premiered on June 13, 2016 and was aired worldwide on GMA Pinoy TV.